Today I'll be showing you how to do 3D text on After Effects with and without plugins. So without any jibber jabber, let's get on with it. Y'all, don't mind my voice. I have a killing cold. I'm trying my best to keep updating, but it's a bit difficult seeing as I'm a senior now. But yeah, I'll show you how to do it with the plugin Element 3D and without it. First, with Element 3D. Create a new composition. Dimensions can be whatever you want it to be. Duration can be whatever you want it to be. Add a new solid. The color of the solid doesn't matter, it can be anything. Add a new text layer. Edit the text, customize it, make it whatever you want it to be, and yeah, that's it. Move the text below the solid and disable it. Go to the solid, go to Effects and Presets and add Element 3D. Go to Custom Layers, Custom Text and Masks, Path Layer 1, None, and choose your text. Go to Scene Setup. Click this Extrude here. As you can see, your text is ready. If you want to change the width of this, whatever this is, bevel edge, bevel scale, blah, 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 click on Extrusion Model and increase or decrease the bevel scale. I'm gonna keep it 3.9 because I like the number. You can also change the texture of the text. Go to Presets, Materials, and Physical, and there are a lot of options here. I'm gonna keep it Chrome for the time being. You can also change the color of the reflection. Go to Chrome, Reflectivity, and as you can see, the color changes. I'm gonna keep it white for the time being. Go to Extrusion Model and you can change the position of the text, the scale of the text, orientation of the text, as if in which way do you want it to be rotated, and you can even flip the text. There is an option for glossiness too, I guess I don't remember where it is. Wait, let's go to Chrome. Yeah, see, you can also make it matte by going into basic settings on Chrome and decreasing the glossiness. But personally, if you're choosing for Chrome, it's always good to have a glossiness. You can change the way the reflectivity looks by going into environment, and there are two options here. You can choose any environment that you like. See, these are just examples of how it can look. If you want to edit the environment, go to environment here. You can increase and decrease the contrast. You can increase the brightness. I personally like to increase the brightness sometimes so that the reflection actually looks good. And you can also decrease and increase the saturation. Oh, I like this. Oh my god, slay. Press OK here when you're done with the settings. As you can see, your text is present. Now, to kind of customize it, go to Group 1, Particle Look. You can increase or decrease the particle size. You can rotate the text in particle rotation. And you can also rotate or scatter each letter. For that, you need to go into multi-object here, enable multi. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth rotation option kind of does this. So yeah, I personally like this because, well, it keeps the text moving, you know. To kind of track the text, you can use Displace XYZ here. This tracks it horizontally. If you have more than one line, this will track it vertically. Scatter XYZ kind of scatters each letter, kind of like this. I don't really like it a lot because, well, then you're not able to read what's actually written, but yeah. So this was horizontal, this is vertical, this is I don't know what. Oh, this is Z position. Oh, I like this. Position noise kind of also scatters it. So if you wanted to scatter at one point or assemble after scattering, you can use this. Using elements on text is really easy. It gets a bit tricky when you're using an object, but yeah, that's it. So you can animate it, you can do anything you want with it. There is one problem though, you cannot have certain parts another color than the other ones, at least not that I'm aware of. Now on to the one without the plugin. Have your text ready. Enable the 3D mode on the text. Go to active camera and change it to custom view 1. Duplicate the text, go onto the second layer, press P on your keyboard and increase the Z position by about 5. Duplicate it again, P on your keyboard, increase the Z position by 5. Now, if you do it one by one, it will be super time consuming and super difficult. So what you can do is select all of the text, duplicate it, press P on your keyboard and press P on your keyboard and drag it so that it's at intervals of multiples of 5. Duplicate it as many times as you want to. I don't want it to be like super thick, so I'm gonna just keep this. Select all the text layers, pre-compose them, and then press this here. It actually enables you to kind of modify it as a 3D text. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't know how to add blood layers. I am so sorry, it just doesn't work with me. What you can do is go into the pre-composition and change it to custom view 1 and kind of change the color of the text as you go back. I'm sorry, that's just how I know to. That's how I tell you this. If it's not sufficient, that's where. Yay! See, now it looks better. It looks like there is a shadow. Yeah, that's the best I can do. There is another way on how to do 3D text without plugins, and that's using Cinema 4D. My Cinema 4D doesn't work, so I just showed you this way, but I will link down a tutorial for Cinema 4D in the description so you can check it out. And yeah, that's basically it. That is basically it. You can animate it using the built-in settings in the text. So yeah, you can animate it. I just did this. I'm tired, I cannot do this anymore. I just listened to the Tortured Poets department and I am broken. Is she for real doing that over Matty fucking Healy? But okay. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all I could do to help you. I'm so sorry.